Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 9th of April 2018. Okay guys, 4 signals have been hit till now and 4 of the pairs have not taken the U-turn, so the market is quite fine to discuss about the analysis for 4 pairs. Okay, let's get started with the last pair of my signals report, Great Britain Pound JPY. So I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Great Britain Pound JPY. 152578 was the entry, and you can see a significant upward trend right from the entry. So guys, it's currently going up. So if it continues to go up like this, then the next targeted price can be 153100. But however, those traders who have taken good profits up to here, then I suggest them to close the trade, because this is already so much for taking a profit on pound. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. A very simple trade that was given in the morning. A bearish expectation was provided on the pair. 078015 was the entry, and you can see that right from the entry we have seen a bearish pin bar, and after that the market started to go down and it has hit the targeted price 0,77749, and right now it's making an upward momentum. But however, we are done with our signal, and those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on Australian dollar USD, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another very good profitable trade on Great Britain Pound USD. Hopefully you people must have, you traders must have caught the profit on Pound USD today. 142050 was the bullish entry from my side, and you can see that right from the entry Great Britain Pound USD had started gaining upward momentum, and it's on the way towards 142617. But those subscribers who have already taken their profits in the last 3 to 4 hours, they should close their trades, because this is enough. We're taking the profit on Great Britain Pound USD. So overall it's in a downward momentum, but however I have supplied the bullish trend of the day because I was expecting a small upward momentum. But overall, if you look at the trading system, it's significant. It's signaling us a downward momentum. But however, my signals are not based on the trading system, but I'm just giving a caution here. If you have caught your profit up to here, then simply exit from the trade. That's fine. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about the 4th pair of the day, which is on the way at the moment. So I have done scalping on Euro USD today. So we also have received a bullish sign on through the scalper in the form of white arrow. Let me explain. My signal is 1 2 3 754 in a bullish way, and it has already went up into in the morning, and then we have a drop on one candle, and again it started to bounce back again. And right now, if you look at here, the market has pumped above the dotted line, the dotted middle line. So there are a lot of chances that Euro USD can stay bullish, and from here, if it makes the upward momentum, then the targeted price is 124113, and you can see that the targeted price is already drawn on my chart. So overall, I have kept a lesser gap in case of Euro USD. That's enough, because the market is a bit tricky these days. So be careful by taking a high lot size for some days, and after that the market will get the stability. Moreover guys, this is all about the today's analysis. For the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the indicators. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations, like we have a drop here. With the confirmation, it was down, and then from the lower red boundary we have started the upward momentum. This is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper is here to provide you the white arrows to buy the pair and red arrows to sell the pair. When the scalper gives you white arrows in the top red boundary, you need to ignore those arrows, because the market is already reached to the overbought levels. When it gives you red arrows at the lower red boundary, you need to ignore them. Simply just use the indicators wisely, and you will be able to catch good profits. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.